We make decisions every moment, every hour, every day. But how many of those decisions do you feel confident were right the first time? Are you relying too much on your gut feeling, or getting bogged down in details to ensure you make the best choice? Whether it's a life-changing decision or a simple daily choice, the way we approach decision-making can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore the intuitive versus structured decision-making processes, uncovering both the natural, instinctive way we make decisions, and the structured, logical, step-by-step approach. Welcome to School of Real Life. Here, we focus on bridging the skills gaps often missed in traditional education. Don't forget to subscribe for videos on essential life skills that aren't taught in school but are crucial for real-life success. Let's start with what decision-making is. In simple terms, decision-making is the process of making choices among different alternative options to reach a goal or solve a problem. It's something we do every day, whether we're deciding what to have for breakfast or making a major career change. But why is it so crucial? Effective decision-making helps us navigate life's complexities, manage risks, and achieve our objectives. It impacts our personal happiness, professional success, and overall well-being. By improving our decision-making skills, we can make choices that align better with our goals and values, leading to more satisfying outcomes and fewer regrets. First, let's explore the natural or intuitive decision-making process, the way we often make decisions. Intuition relies on our gut feelings to guide our choices. This natural process often begins with recognizing a problem or opportunity. For instance, we might notice our car frequently breaking down and decide it's time for a new one. We then collect basic information from past experiences or observations, like thinking about car models we've heard of or seen recently. Afterward, we mentally list our options based on what we know, deciding between sticking with a similar car model or exploring new types. In this situation, personal preferences and feelings come into play, such as favoring a particular car brand because of its design or previous positive experiences. Often, we make decisions based on intuition or gut feeling, choosing a car model we feel drawn to without extensive research. Once we've made a decision, we take action, such as visiting a dealership and buying the car. Finally, we evaluate whether the decision meets our expectations and if we're satisfied with our choice. If not, we might adjust our approach for future decisions, considering additional features or different options next time. Since we already know the natural or intuitive decision-making process, let's explore the factors that influence choices in intuitive decision-making. Number 1. Gut feelings. We rely on our instincts, especially for routine or familiar decisions. For example, we might be drawn to a car because we have a good feeling about the brand or model, rather than through a detailed comparison. Number 2. Mental shortcuts. We use rules of thumb, like sticking with a trusted brand. For instance, we might choose a car from a brand we trust or have had positive experiences with, rather than considering every possible option. Number 3. Emotions. Our mood can sway our choices, sometimes overriding logical analysis. For example, the color or design of a car might sway our decision because we find it appealing, even if it's not the most practical choice. 4. Limited information. We often go with what's readily available or recent. For example, if we see an advertisement for a car with a special promotion, we might be swayed to choose that car without thoroughly researching other options. 5. Quick decisions. We might make rapid choices under time pressure without thorough evaluation. For instance, if we need to buy a car quickly because our current one has broken down and we need transportation urgently, we might choose the first available option without extensive deliberation. Now that we understand the natural decision-making process and its influencing factors, let's explore the structured, rational approach. For major life decisions, like buying a house, changing careers, or making choices about relationships or finances, it's crucial to take our time and follow a step-by-step rational method. It includes clearly defining the problem, gathering detailed information, and evaluating options in a systematic way. Let's explore the 7-step rational and structured decision-making process that will guide us in making decisions with greater precision and care. Step 1. Define the decision clearly. In this step, we pinpoint exactly what decision we need to make. What is our goal? For example, deciding whether to buy a new car because our current one is unreliable. Step 2. Gather relevant information. In the second step, we collect all the necessary data related to our decision. This might include researching car models, prices, features, reviews, and financing options. Step 3. Identify and evaluate alternatives. In third step, we list out potential options and evaluate them based on key criteria. For instance, we might compare sedans, SUVs, and hybrids based on cost, fuel efficiency, and reliability. Step 4. Assess the risks and benefits. In this step, we weigh the pros and cons of each option, including potential risks and benefits. For example, we might look at the fuel efficiency of a hybrid car against its higher purchase price and maintenance costs. Step 5. Make a decision. In this step, we choose the option that best aligns with our goals and make our choice. We might select the hybrid car if it matches our environmental values and long-term savings goals, even if it costs more upfront. Step 6. Implement the decision. In this step, we put our choice into action. This could mean visiting dealerships, test driving the selected hybrid car, and completing the purchase. Step 7. Monitor and evaluate the outcome. After making our decision, review how well it meets our expectations. Assess the performance and satisfaction with our new car. If the decision doesn't fully meet our needs, we adjust our approach for future decisions. For example, if the hybrid car isn't perfect, we may consider different features or alternatives next time. With this step-by-step structured approach, we now understand both intuitive and structured decision-making. As a final thought, in the dynamic landscape of decision-making, both intuitive and structured approaches have their distinct roles and advantages. Intuitive decision-making allows us to act quickly based on gut feelings and past experiences, which is invaluable for everyday choices and situations requiring rapid responses. It's particularly practical for minor, routine decisions where speed and simplicity are key. On the other hand, structured decision-making offers a systematic approach that is most appropriate for major decisions. This method is especially useful for high-stakes choices, such as major financial commitments, career changes, or other impactful life events. However, the structured approach may require significant resources, including time, effort, and sometimes money. It might also be less ideal in urgent situations where decisions need to be made quickly or if circumstances change unexpectedly. To make the most effective decisions, we recommend combining both intuitive and structured approaches, especially for significant or complex decisions. This blend helps ensure that decisions are well informed and aligned with your instincts, reducing mistakes and increasing confidence in your choices. In conclusion, when it comes to making decisions, how do you choose your approach? Do you rely on your gut feeling, take a structured approach, or use a combination of both? How do you decide which method to use in different situations? Whether you're making quick daily choices or tackling major life decisions, understanding these approaches can make a significant difference. Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments. How have these methods worked for you? If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching.